Let's learn how to make an origami cloth diaper for babies who do not have disposable diapers. So step 1, fold the flat sheet in half from bottom to top, and then again half from right to left. Step 2, grab the top layer of the top corner and pull it out to the right. So you should be having that shape. Then step 3, flip the whole thing down like that. Then step 4, take the square on the upper part and fold it over to the left in thirds, as you can see. Then step 5, you're going to get your baby and put the baby in the position for dressing the diaper. Then in step 6, you are going to loosely tie the ends of this cloth diaper that you've made together so that it is secured. So this will prevent the baby from wetting the blankets and the bed sheets, hence preventing hypothermia.